My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope you are well. We'll continue our unit number 2, class 10 mathematics, and we'll finish 2.4 and we'll start exercise 2.5 today. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. The question is the last part. If alpha, beta be the roots of question number 2 part last. Sorry, question number 3 part 2, the last part. Okay. If alpha, beta be the roots of Lx square plus mx plus n equals to 0, find the value of alpha square 1 over alpha square and 1 over beta square plus. So now the solution, right? Here we have A equals to L, B equals to M, and C equals to N. Right? So sum of the roots will be alpha plus beta equals to minus B over A equals to minus M over L. Alpha plus beta equals to minus M over L. And the product of the roots will be alpha times beta equals to C over A equals to N over L. Right? So alpha beta equals to N over L. Right? So now just take the condition. 1 over alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha square beta square alpha square plus beta square. So now the numerator is alpha plus beta square, just putting the formula minus 2 alpha beta. Divided by alpha beta square. M over L square minus 2 times N over L. Divided by N over L square. Right, so in the numerator we have M square L square minus 2N over L divided by N square over L square. So the numerator we have M square minus 2 NL divided by L square and the denominator is n square over L square. This L square got cancelled with this. So we have m square minus 2nl divided by n square, which is our final answer. So this finishes the exercise 2.4, and we'll start exercise 2.5 now. Mind you, I tell you that I am doing the questions which came in boards exams as long questions. Now we are starting exercise 2.5. Write the quadratic equations having roots. Now the roots are given. Question number 1 and part 1. Write the equation with roots with roots 1 and 5. Right? So solution is okay, sum of the roots equals to 1 plus 5 equals to 6. Product of the roots equals to 1 times 5 equals to 5. Equation will be x square minus sum of the roots x plus p equals to 0. So we have x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0, which is our final answer. Right, so now we'll do the next question. Question number 2. Right, so question number 2 is now the question number 2. For exercise 2.5. If alpha beta be the roots of given equation, x square minus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. Find the equation whose roots are if alpha beta be the roots of part B, question number 2. If alpha beta be the parts of roots of equation is the same, x square minus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. Find the equation with roots alpha square beta square. Now the solution, the first part is same. Here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, and c equals to 6. Therefore, sum of the roots alpha plus beta equals to, for this equation, therefore, so sum of the roots for the given equation is alpha plus beta equals to minus b over a equals to minus times minus 3 over 1 equals to plus 3, or we may write a plus b equals to 3. And product of the roots for the given equation is alpha plus beta equals to c over a equals to 6 over 1. Alpha beta is equal to 6. So for required equation, sum of the roots equals to alpha square plus beta square. Right? So sum of the roots equals to, using the formula, alpha plus beta square minus 2 times alpha beta. Right? So alpha beta square is 3 square minus 2 times 6. Right? So which will be equals to 2 times 6. Right? So 9 minus 12, which is equals to minus 3. So S equals to minus 3 and P equals to alpha square times beta square, which is equals to alpha beta the whole square, which is equals to 9. Right? Means P equals to 9. So the required equation is x square minus px plus q equals to, sx plus p equals to 0. So we have x square minus time minus 3 x plus 9 equals to 0. So we have x square plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0 is our required answer. I hope you understand it well. And if not, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number which I have given on the back of or in the beginning of the video. Thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button as well.